Really excited to talk about our Velo Pro today. One of the first things you're going to notice is this patented snout design. Because this snout was designed by an aeronautical engineer, a lot of thought went into this. As you know, when a blade turns in a certain pattern, air generally comes out and wants to go to one side. With the Velo Pro, because of the snout, air is more evenly distributed down to the surface and considered a high velocity air mover, because at the end of the day, that's what dries. One of the other cool features of this is the cord wrap right on the back secures tightly around the back of the housing. You'll notice 4 slots designed for the rubber feet to stack flawlessly in here. You can stack these as high as you'd like, walk them back and forth, and this is not going to tip over. They just simply pop in like so and stay in place really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in because one of my favorite features is the ability to control the amp draw. So we can turn this machine from 1.2 amps to 1.9 amps. And think about it, if you're in an area to where you're allowed to put 10 air movers on a job, but you're limited with power, we have the ability to plug in 10 air movers on one 15 amp circuit. So turn on the switch. You'll see the amp meter illuminate here, and then I can simply decrease or increase the amount of amps, which is obviously going to turn the blade faster. When I first turn on the machine, it will actually give me an hour counter. So when I first click this on, it will tell me that there's 3 hours on this machine, or however many hours you've been using the machine. And one of the benefits to that is if you have a large fleet of air movers, oftentimes guys go and they grab the same air movers all the time. So what I like about this is when your technicians check them back into the warehouse, they can clean them back up, they can check how many hours are on it, and they can start rotating your stock so you have equal use across all of your air movers. Among other features, the Velo Pro has 5 different drying positions. As you can see, one of them with the kickstand. We can set it straight up and down if we're blowing up a wall surface or trying to reach a ceiling. I can lay it on either side, going down a hallway, or again, up against the wall surface. And one of the things you'll find unique on the very bottom itself is it's vented down here, so we're also drying underneath the air mover. There are some other products out there that when the air mover's laying down in a flat pattern, the area around the air mover itself is not getting dry, so you have to move it. Well, we've gone ahead and fixed that at Dri-Eaz, making sure that you're drying down through the carpet underneath the air mover as well. And don't forget, the Velo Pro is backed with a lifetime structural defect warranty. If anything goes wrong with this housing, we'll replace it for you at no charge. So not only is it designed by an aeronautical engineer, the performance benefit of the amp draw and hour meter, we've got the GFCI built right into the machine, most demanded low profile air mover in the market today.